Hey guys, what's up? This is ReaperDigital, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to fix the problem with Windows Defender not opening when you left click it, and when you type in Windows Security it doesn't open up for Windows 11 and Windows 10 users. Now this will work for both Windows 10 and Windows 11. So yeah, let's dive right into it. What you're going to want to do is go into the search bar here and type in Windows PowerShell. That's what we're going to be using today, and you're going to want to run as administrator. Hit yes. And I will be typing these commands in the description of the YouTube video so you can highlight and copy them real easy. But yeah, you just copy and paste, hit enter, and then same with the next one. Copy and paste, hit enter. Does some cool little flashy things, and now you should be good to go. You should be able to open up your Windows Defender. And I hope this video has helped you guys. Thank you guys for watching. Peace.